Hello everyone, here's the scenario for today. So now that we are getting towards cooler temperatures, let's say you are flying along in your cross-country flight. You decide to climb, so you pitch the nose up, and as you start to climb, the airspeed increases. Wow, that's interesting, you are thinking. So you keep climbing, and your airspeed keeps increasing. Wow, you're thinking these cold weather days give you great performance, just like my instructor always said. So as you pull the throttle back now, because you're climbing and gaining airspeed, even though you show good airspeed, you hear the stall warning horn start to go off. So what's going on? How did we get in this situation? Hello everyone and welcome back to another scenario training with J1 Aviation. So in this scenario, your airspeed indicator is acting like an altimeter. As you climb, the airspeed increases. As you descend, the airspeed decreases. So as you may have guessed, you have a problem in the pitot system. So what causes this particular situation is when both the pitot tube and the drain hole both become blocked simultaneously. This causes the pressure in the pitot tube to become trapped. So if you speed up or slow down, you will not see any change in your airspeed indicator. But now, when will you see a change in the airspeed indicator? Well, if the static port is unblocked and the aircraft changes altitude, you will then see a change on your airspeed indicator. So this is not necessarily due to the airspeed itself changing, but this is due to the change in the static pressure, because remember, the airspeed indicator relies on both the pitot tube and the static ports. So if the aircraft were to climb, the static pressure would decrease, allowing the diaphragm and the airspeed indicator to expand, thereby showing an indication of greater airspeed. As you descend, the static pressure would increase against the diaphragm, causing it to compress, thereby resulting in a decreased airspeed. All right, so then how can this situation happen? What did you get yourself into? Well, the most likely case for the pitot tube and the drain hole to become clogged in flight simultaneously would be due to flying through visible moisture and icing. So to prevent or to get rid of a pitot clog in this situation, your aircraft may have pitot heat, which can be turned on to prevent or remove the ice buildup. But consult your AFM or POH for any specific procedures regarding this and for operating in cold weather in visible moisture. So thanks everyone for watching today. We'll hope you join us on a future flight, and thanks for flying J1 Aviation.